मातृका प्रसाद यादव नेपाली राजनीतिका पटक पटक विवादमा आइरहने पात्र हुन्। कहिले कर्मचारीलाई तर्साएर त कहिले अमर्यादित कुरा बोलेर। आज हामी मातृका प्रसाद यादवका यस्ता अनेकौं काण्डहरूमध्ये केही काण्डको बारेमा चर्चा गर्दैछौँ। सर्वप्रथम मातृका प्रसाद यादवले आफू उद्योग मन्त्री हुँदा नेपाल इन्भेस्टमेन्ट समिटमा बोलेको अङ्ग्रेजीको चर्चा गरौँ। सन् 2020मा मातृका प्रसाद यादवले सम्बोधन गर्ने क्रममा अङ्ग्रेजीमा लेखिएको नोटलाई व्याख्या गर्ने क्रममा उनले यसरी व्याख्या गरेका थिए।
Delegates, media person, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to see an inspiring participation and opinions of the investor comprising government and private sector from all over the world. First of all, I would like to welcome and thank you all. The situation and requirements, opportunity and challenges indicate in the inaugural speech delivered by Right Honorable Prime Minister K.P. Sharma Oli added to significance of this investment summit. I feel this session is also crucial to understand our serious efforts and commitments toward making investment friendly environments, bringing capital, share ideas, technologies, skills, experience and opportunities as we look forward to our economic transformation journey through sustainable means. So our common goal is to increase the contribution of this sector to our GDP in order to foster the economic development of Nepal. We need to huge investment in industry sectors. The ministry is establishing new industrial district in every province and a special economic zone to facilitate production to import oriented foreign investment. As like we have adopted policies and programs to foster a balanced economic development by increasing jobs opportunities, relevant use of skills and resources and increasing the production. The ministry has reformed several investment related policies and rules which include FITA, SAGE Act, the Intellectual Property Act. In Nepal and in past, this is big problem, but now not problem. I request to you faith. I am ready to protect the intellectual property trade brand. Industrial Enterprises Act, Company Act and Insolvency Act among others are under pipeline. To facilitate procedure, one-stop service center is being established. You all are know in past you go hither and thither for one job, but now not you must not go hither and thither. One stop, one palace. The introduction of automation, you know everybody about automation, no time to explanation. Online payment system and automatic route will ease the environment for doing business. Sometimes we do so many things, but in data, who give us mark do not aid also, and our some officer also do not put which he did, do not put. So this is also problem, but our business doing is not bad. We are going to up, but slowly. So we ready now. You people know we are in totally other palace politically, and our mindset is also new, not old, because in past Fita, if Fita come, then everything lost. But now we know, we understand what is Fita. Without Fita, we can't do anything. So our Prime Minister, our all sector, welcome to you. Come to investment. Nepal is currently aiming to achieve high economics. Our main slogan, Prosperous Nepal and Happy Nepali. And we are ready to do anything to achieve this goal. But we feel without your help we can't do. For this, we require more investment in several sectors. Hence, I would like to urge all of you to invest and benefit from the conducive environment provided by the government of Nepal. And somebody thinks our money, what will be our money? And our Podarji answered, no problem. To return money, no any problem. You can easily, but follow our law and regulation. at last, maybe no last, I would like to conclude by saying that in Nepal, abundant opportunities are in every sector to invest. It is like a blank paper where you can write what you want, but again you remind our rule and regulation. Other at last, no can go forward alone. So I request to all go together. Thanks. Sorry, I am organizer.
Yeah, sorry.
So organizer, not good to token.
Thank you very much. Can you have a group photo, please?
Yes, could you kindly step
But
forward
I-
to
but
all
I
the
request-
distinguished
I
dignitaries?
request-
यसरी छेउन टुप्पोको अङ्ग्रेजी बोलेर विवादमा आएका उनी पछिल्लो समय फेरि विवादमा तानिएका छन्। हालसालै
Thank
पूर्व
you.
प्रधानमन्त्री केपी ओलीलाई
Thank you,
मानसिक र
Honorable
शारीरिक
Minister,
कमजोरी भएको
for
व्यक्ति
this
भनेकाले
important
उनको
call
चर्को
again.
आलोचना भएको छ। केहीले त आफू जस्तो छन् अरूलाई त्यही आरोप लगाएको सम्म भन्न भएका छन्। प्रस्तुत छ मातृका प्रसाद यादवले बोलेको विवादित बोली।
मान्य केपी शर्मा ओलीजीलाई म के आग्रह गर्न चाहन्छु भने जे मन लाग्यो त्यही बोल्ने, जुन सदनमा आएर उफ्रिरहेको छ त्यसैको अपमान गर्ने। हुन त जे पनि बोल्न पाइन्छ यहाँ, तर आफ्नै मर्यादा आफै के हुँ त्यसलाई बिर्सिदिने काम चाहिँ नहोस् भन्ने मेरो आग्रह छ। कमरेडहरू, उहाँ चाहिँ मेन्टली पनि ठिक हुनुहुन्न, फिजिकली पनि ठिक हुनुहुन्न, त्यसैले कुनै बेला पनि मतलब दुर्घटनाहरू हुन सक्छ। यो जिम्मेवारी उहाँलाई किन बोकाउनु छ, उहाँलाई चाहिँ अन्याय किन गर्नुहुन्छ? मैले अहिले एमालेका मान्य मित्रहरूलाई के भन्न चाहन्छु भने जहाज उडाउने सामान्य जहाज उडाउँदा क्याप्टेनहरूको त मेडिकल चेक हुन्छ, उसको स्वास्थ्य ठिक छ कि छैन, ब्रेन ठिक छ कि छैन भने चेक हुन्छ। यो देशकै जहाज उडाउन दिएपछि दुर्घटना हुँदैन? पार्टीकै जहाज उडाउन दियो भने दुर्घटना हुँदैन?
अरूलाई मर्यादा र उचाइ सिकाउने मातृका यादवको भनाई संसदको मर्यादा र नियम विपरीत भएको भन्दै संसदको रेकर्डबाट हटाइएको छ।
मान्य सदस्यहरू, विशेष समयमा मान्य श्री मातृका प्रसाद यादवले बोल्ने क्रममा प्रयोग गर्नुभएको मेन्टल्ली फिजिकल्ली फिट हुनुहुन्न भन्ने शब्दहरू प्रतिनिधि सभा नियमावलीको नियम 21 को खण्ड ङ को प्रतिकूल हुने देखिएकोले उक्त शब्दहरू सचिवालयको रेकर्डबाट हटाउन सचिवालयलाई निर्देश गर्दछु।
तपाईलाई आजको भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो? प्रतिक्रिया दिनुहोला। यदि राम्रो लागेमा लाइक तथा सेयर गरी सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला। साथै सँगै रहेको बेलमा थिच्नुहोला ताकि हामीले अपलोड गर्ने प्रत्येक भिडियो तपाईसम्म आइपुगोस्। अर्को भिडियोमा अझै रोचक जानकारी लिएर आउने नै छौँ। तबसम्मको लागि बिदा दिनुहोस्। नमस्कार।